Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change multiple font styles in Figma in a really quick and fast way. So first of all, let's create we have two styles right here. As you can see, I already created them, but you can create another style right here, right? For example, text 3, right? Now let's create 3 texts. So let's create text 1. And let's copy this right here, and let's copy this right here. By the way, I'm copying with Control C, Control V. And now what I can do is I can go text 1, I can go here, and I can apply text 1. I can go text 1, I can apply text 2, I can go text 1, which is text 3, I can apply text 3. So right now we have 3 different styles of text. Now what you will need to do is you'll need to go here to plugins, and then find more plugins and make sure to install Batch Styler. Now let's do this, and then right click and plugins and click on Batch Styler. Now here, as you can see, we'll have 3 different styles. We'll have style 1, style 2, style 3. Let's go to style 1. We can go here, we can, have multiple styles, right? We can create that this is, 20, right? And we can add it right here, as you can see, update the styles, or click enter to update the styles. And that's pretty much it. It's a really great plugin. This is how to change multiple font styles in Figma really fast and really easy. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.